Dear educators, welcome back to the Student Alliance community. I have a very quick question for you. Now, how many of you guys can quickly guess what is aniline? Let me give you an example. It has an NH2 compound group. Exactly. So, talking about organic chemistry and talking about aniline, so we have an experimentation process that usually gives people confusion as to what is the color of aniline, how is the chemical formula happening, what is the procedure. We've got that sorted for you. Just go on your chemistry option. So how do you prepare the yellow aniline? Now, as pointed out, aniline, if you go on the theory, you will see that the structure is a benzene component attached with NH2. So here you have the chemical experiment. Now, in this, if you want to use a pen, just click here. As soon as this is done, you will get a pen option. From this, just draw the aniline structure. And then you can make as many things as possible. You can note down things and you can make a better explanation using your mark option, and you can save it as well. So organic chemistry doesn't have to be that difficult. All you need to do is the right platform and the right opportunity. Thank you so much.